Hello everyone, this is Acharya Madhu and I do numerology, astrology, Vastu and palmistry. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Vastu, and in Vastu we will discuss about entrance of the house. So the entrance of the house plays a very important role for the happiness of the people living in that house. So basically, in older times, like the businessman used to judge the outcome of the house just by seeing the location of the entrance of the house. So you must have heard that face is the index of the inner mind. Likewise, in Vedic science, the location of the door is not only the index of the inner mind of a person but also of a building. So now we are going to discuss about how you can find out the entrance of your house. Like even a non-expert of Vastu can also find out the entrance of his house. There is a very simple way of finding that. So we are going to discuss about that. For that, you just need to find out what is the facing of your house. If you know about the facing of your house, so what you have to do is, like, you just check the length and width of your house and just take a rough paper and just draw the length and width of that square of your house. So basically you have to make a swastik on that. So let's see how. So now what you have to do, just suppose the length of your house is approximately 20 feet and the width of your house is approximately 15 feet. First you need these things, then you must be knowing the facing of your house. Facing of your house, for example, facing of your house is east. Now what you have to do, just mark all the four directions like east, south, west and north. Now what you have to do, you just make a cross here in between the length and width of your house. We have to find out the center. So just draw some imaginary line from this point. So now we have come to know the center. So now what you have to do, you have to draw a swastik here. How will you draw it? See, like you have to draw it from here to here and from here till here. So now you can see I have made a swastik in between the house. So now what you have to do, you have to draw a parallel line to these lines, like this, like this, like this and like this. So now you can see the parallel line here, and just fill these parallel line to make it more prominent so that we could find out the entrance. So these marked area represent that these are the positive entrances which which is which is representing all the directions. So guys, we have just discussed about the how to find out the positive entrance of your house with the help of swastik. So basically now we will discuss about what these entrances are going to give you, what are the benefits you are going to get from these entrances. So basically, if your entrance is in east, so east represents sun. Sun represents government department, sun represents politics, sun represents name and fame, sun represents your success in life. So basically you are going to get all these in your life. Now if your entrance is in north, so what north represents? North represents planet Mercury, and in Vastu north is the place of Kuber. So basically Kuber represents dhan, it is a dhan sthan also. So basically what are you going to get with the entrance of north? North will give you money in abundance, like you can get your inherited money also, your earned money also. So basically in career you will get good opportunities, good for your male progeny also. So now if you have entrance in south direction, so what south represents, you know, name and fame in your life. South represents relaxation in your life. So basically you will get more prosperity. And the main point is like it is good for people who are running the industries. That is, you know, for those people that is very beneficial. West direction. So what are the benefits you are going to get from west direction? Basically west direction represents gains and profit in your life. So basically you will get gains and profits in all the aspects of your life. So it brings unbelievable prosperity in your life. So if you liked my video, please subscribe my channel. And you can contact me for any query like for numerology, astrology, vastu and palmistry. Thank you. पुष्प की माला